My name is Robert Upton. I'm 76 and I'm from Newcastle West, County Limerick in Ireland. I realised it a few years ago that I would have trouble later on in life when there was slight calcification of the aortic valve. But that wasn't causing any trouble, and while it wasn't causing any trouble, I just lived with it. You know, I knew it was there, and I kept an eye on it every few years, and that was about it. I was getting chest pains, and just shortness of breath. If any exercise at all, was a severe shortness of breath and chest pains, and that was really the main symptoms. When I got the chest pains, I actually done a little stress test on my own and found out I couldn't walk up more than about 10 steps without actually being wrecked. So went to the GP, and we immediately diagnosed that it was a heart valve and possibly in need of a stent as well in one of the heart arteries. I'd been doing some reading about the TAVI, and I was really in favour of it. The durability of it now is increasing all the time. It's not very invasive. The operation itself is very minor, and you feel great after it. Maybe a slight discomfort, a slight bit of bruising around the area where they've gained access to the artery in the groin area. But apart from that, no problem. Some of the people I talked to recommended that I have the full chest crack because I was quite fairly fit. But on weighing the balances up, I felt that the TAVI was a better option, and I'm quite glad I had it. As soon as I woke up, I could feel the difference. You know, the parts of me obviously had been starved of everything, but I could actually feel it. It was instantaneous, and that's about it. And discharge then I had it done on the Friday, discharged Monday morning. I'd done my research on it. I knew what I was facing into. No, I didn't. I didn't have any anxiety as that effect. I had total confidence in my cardiologist, and and I had no qualms about going into hospital either. The hospital, the Beacon, actually had no COVID cases. They were COVID free, but the regional, when I went there for it, there was no problem there either. So I didn't, I don't suffer anxiety. I would advise anyone, if you're getting chest pains, get it checked out. It won't cost you anything, and it could save you everything.